Hello viewers, welcome to Ruhul NYC. In this video I am going to show you Chelsea Pier 61 Skyring, Manhattan West Side, New York. So it is a walking tour and let's see how it look like and where is Chelsea Pier 61 Skyring. So take a tour. Welcome back friends. So let's see how it look like Chelsea Pier 61 Skyring, West Side, Manhattan, New York. I hope it is amazing video for you who haven't seen Chelsea Pier, West Side, New York, Manhattan, Skyring, Chelsea Pier 61. So I'm in Chelsea Pier now, nearby a river. This river divided Manhattan to Jersey City. You can see the Jersey City other side and Chelsea Pier in Manhattan West Side, around 23rd Street and West Side Highway. So this is amazing. It is evening, and so let's take a tour and stay with me until end. Thanks. Hello viewers, once again thanks for staying with me, and it is, of course it is amazing who haven't seen before the Chelsea Piers, Manhattan West Side, New York. I hope you like my video, and if you like, please like, comment, and most importantly subscribe, and thanks for